Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Smart Teaching by Master Amit. Welcome students, today's topic is pronoun. Underline the pronouns. Worksheet. Lolit enjoyed his birthday cake. Here pronoun is his. The sisters helped their mother. There is the pronoun. He had 5 pens. He is the pronoun. She is mine. She, mine. I myself do the work. I myself. We are friends. We. Their dog ran away. There. The girl is married to him. Him. It is a 1 rupee coin. It. I am a student. I. These all are pronouns. The all the underlined word is the are the pronouns, and this there are 10 pronouns. Thank you.